Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Airtable base into n8n for email automation, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Airtable account. Open the base you want to work with. Navigate to the specific table within that base from which you'll be withdrawing data. Identify the fields that contain the information you need for your email automation. Take note of the field names and types, as these will be important for configuring n8n. Next, log in to your n8n account. Start a new workflow by clicking on the New button. In the workflow editor, search for the Airtable node. Drag the Airtable node into your workflow. Click on the Airtable node to configure its settings. You will need to connect your Airtable account to n8n if you haven't done so yet. Follow the prompts to input your Airtable API key. Once connected, select the appropriate base and table from the drop-down menus. Configure the operation to get all to retrieve all records from the selected table. Now, you can set any additional filters or constraints if you only want specific records. Once your Airtable settings are complete, add another node for email automation. Search for the email node you prefer to use, such as SMTP or SendGrid. Drag the email node into your workflow after the Airtable node. Connect the Airtable node to the email node by dragging the line between them. Click on the email node to configure its settings. Input the recipient's email address in the designated field. Customize the subject line and body of the email based on the data retrieved from Airtable. Utilize expressions to include dynamic content from your Airtable records. Once everything is configured, click on the Execute Workflow button to test the setup. Review the output data to ensure the records from Airtable were accessed successfully. Check the email inbox of the specified recipient for the automation result. Make adjustments as necessary. Finally, save your workflow to ensure it runs at scheduled intervals or when triggered. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.